Hey guys, time for a real short and quick legal tip today. I was on a Zoom meeting with my friend David, owner of a company here in town, and we were talking seller disclosure. And Dave brought up a situation that he is seeing more and more, and I understand that more agents are also seeing this, where brokers and agents of other companies might be using the wrong form for seller disclosure. He says that he has received several seller disclosures that are on the old form, and that when he says something to the broker, they're like, well, that's the form we use. Well, that's not proper under South Carolina law. South Carolina law says that the seller shall use the seller disclosure form as set forth by the South Carolina Real Estate Commission. And the South Carolina Real Estate Commission set out a task force, which I served on several years ago, where we created the seller disclosure form. So that is the most recent form, is the form that everyone has to use. You cannot use whatever form you want. You can't make your own form. You can't use the 2006 form. You have to use the most recent form, because state law, again, requires you to use the form as set out by the South Carolina Real Estate Commission, and not your own form or any other form. The Real Estate Commission has been very clear that you may not use any other forms but the new form. So be sure to use the form. And when I talk about the new form, I'm talking about this one that everybody right here should be using. It's this one right here. We've all seen it. I think it was updated in 2018. So be sure to use that new form. Now, if somebody gives you the old form, tell them this, or give them a copy of this video and tell them that you're not allowed to use the old form. It's against the law. If they continue to do it, that you take that up with the South Carolina Real Estate Commission, but they have to use the current form. So hopefully that will help y'all understand why we have to use the form, and help you explain to the other side why they best use the correct form and not the old form. All right, I hope that helps. Also, if you want to learn more about seller disclosure, including seller disclosure exemptions or seller disclosure use of the no representation answer, as well as 4 times I think you should disclose things even if they've been repaired, check out my podcast. I'll link to it below. Each podcast comes out Thursday morning. They're less than 30 minutes each, and I think you'll find a lot of valuable information in there. So have a great weekend.